the next category. Let's have a look at the second runner-up. We've got from Rukmani Devi Public School, Delhi, the second runner-up, Akshat Gupta. Akshat, congratulations. Let's put our hands together for all the winners. I know they can't see us through the virtual medium, but I'm sure they can feel the warmth of your applauses. So wherever you are, you can do that. Akshat, very well done. Congratulations. First runner-up is from Ryan International School, Gurugram. We have Viranjay Singh, who is winning the first runner-up position in the category of website development in the North Zone. Very well done, Viranjay. We are excited to see what holds future for you. All right, we'll move on to unveil the winner in the category, and there we go. From Springdale School, New Delhi, Saion Gupta is the winner of website development North Zone, class 6 to class 8 category. Saion, congratulations. Springdale School, congratulations. I'm sure the parents are looking at this and they are equally proud of you. Very well done. All right.